Hi, I'm Amy Golay. I am a first grade teacher in Garden City, Kansas. This is my 5th year teaching, and I was born and raised in Garden City. So I came back home. I'm actually teaching in the elementary school that I grew up in. Um, since I am a first grade teacher, I teach all the subjects, obviously, except for science. We have a special science teacher. I my student teaching semester, I am an elementary education major with an early childhood minor, so I had to split my student teaching semester in half, and so half of my semester I was in a second grade classroom at a technology school in Wichita, Kansas. So I got really introduced to it then. I got really excited. And then I came back to Garden City, and they weren't very technology driven at first. So I kind of got the ball rolling on that, and I was able to be one of the pilot program teachers in our district, one of 8. So I do have one-to-one iPads in my first grade classroom, and so we use technology pretty much every day. I like to say that we are a paperless classroom, with the exceptions of certain fine motor skills that I think are important when it comes to like first graders learning how to write and stuff like that. But when it's just like your basic math assignments, I have that all on a program called Shobi. I do a lot of engaging programs such as Nearpod, where when I teach my lessons. So I'm definitely pro tech ed, and I like to incorporate as much as I can that I find appropriate. I hope to gain from this program just more knowledge all around. It's no surprise that technology in the education career is growing and getting bigger and bigger and more diverse every day. So I just wanted to be able to kind of dab my feet in it some more and kind of have an advantage. I always told myself that if I'm going to do a master's, I want to do it in something that I'm passionate about or that I'm truly interested about. I don't want to be a principal or instructional coach or anything like that. Since I am so into technology for education, I thought this was perfect for me and really suited my needs. My biggest challenges in my current role is the age that I teach and their dependency level. It takes a very long time to get them to the place I like them to be on with technology independently. Every year I have to be reminded how slowly I have to go to teach them, but by the end of the year it's amazing what they can do. But it definitely takes a lot of patience and a lot of work to get them to the point I want them to with technology. My future plans would be, I have no desire at this point to not be a classroom teacher. But if life led me in a different direction, I would love to be kind of in the technology department for a district, or helping sell a technology program to a school district or a school itself. I would find that very, very intriguing. So I look forward to working with you all. Yay for almost being done. I'm a little bit nervous because on top of practicum, I'm completing 2 other classes as well. And I got engaged last spring, so I'm also planning a wedding. And on top of being a first grade teacher, I also work part-time at a salon, and I help with like our robotics club and stuff. So I am a very, very involved coworker, and I keep myself very busy. So I pray that I don't lose my sanity through the semester, but our wedding is next spring, so that's my goal, is to get this done before the wedding. So yay us for being at the practicum now, and good luck to everyone.